Okay, so this is the program number 8. 7, 8 is already done. Variable looks okay. User input. So user inputs, I think I have not given the name of that. Let me give the name for this. This is the 8th one. So let me create a new program. That's functions. So let me create a function. Say I want to greet someone, then I can say greet. And then I want to greet, say print, say welcome to Python programming, right? And this is where I have defined the function. The name of the function is greet, and you have to use the def and the indentation. Observe the indentation and no parameter. We are not passing any parameter. And the body of the function is like print. It is going to say it is just going to print this thing. So this is how first you have to define a function. Now I want to call the function. How to call the function? Come out of this block and then here you can call greet. So this is how you are calling the function. So this is function definition and this function calling. And this is function calling. So let me run this. See, it says welcome to Python program. What if I want to send a customized greeting and I want to use the customized greeting? I will ask the user what is your name. Based on the name, I want to change this function by passing a parameter and I want to do the customized greeting. Then what I have to do is I can also get the user in. First, let me define the function def greet, and now the argument is their name. So then I say print name. Then I can say welcome to. I can say welcome to Python programming. And I want to call the function. So before calling a function, let me get the user inputs. Name is equal to input. Enter your name. So whatever the name is entered by the user, I will be using that to call the function. So I say greet name. Right? This is how I can call a function with a parameter. Say enter your name. I say Raghu. Then it says Raghu, welcome to Python programming.